Good evening, I'm Ann Allred.
And I'm Mike Bush. Our Morgan Young joins us live from Mercy Hospital South tonight, where the very first St. Louisan got the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine just this afternoon. Morgan.
Well, Mike and Ann, Dr. Amina Akhtar is an infectious disease specialist here. She is also the chief medical officer here. And so not only was she the first in our area to get this vaccine, she also knows firsthand what this means for our community, as well as our frontline healthcare workers who have been fighting this for months.
It was like a combination of a birth of a baby, a marriage, a baseball game, a wedding. It was everything all put together.
Joy.
Excited, happy, laughing.
For a fight that hasn't seen a lot of it.
Best day that we have had in months by far.
More spikes in cases without dips. More hours worked without breakthrough.
The hardest part was there was no end in sight.
So Dr. Akhtar says this moment changes everything.
I am the first person, but really it's about all the healthcare workers, all the co-workers across this community. It's that light at the end of the tunnel.
High-risk staff are up first. Mercy expects to have about 3,000 doses in this first round.
We know the vaccine is effective, and we also know if we as a community get vaccinated, that will help put an end towards this pandemic.
There are people who are saying they're not going to take the vaccine. What message would you have for the community having taken it and also having seen what impact this can and will have?
The risks associated with vaccines, they are minimal. They are scarce, but the opportunities for benefit are outstanding. Our coworkers are amazing. Even though they've been through all these extraordinary times, they're still wanting to be here for their patients.
And now, for the first time since this started,
we know the vaccine is effective.
A strengthened layer of protection for our heroes and the people they continue to fight for.
People in this room and this community will remember, where were you when this first COVID-19 vaccine happened?
Dr. Akhtar will be able to say she was here, the first, surrounded by joy and ushering in hope. Now, Dr. Akhtar says she knows people have questions about the vaccine, and she says, hey, you should absolutely ask your questions. Just make sure you're getting answers and information from credible sources. And she and other local and state health officials said, even just today, that while this is exciting, this is a sign of hope. It is not a green light to stop doing the things that we've been told and reporting that we need to do to stop spread the virus. So that is the same thing as social distancing and making sure that we are wearing face coverings. Live in South St. Louis County tonight, I'm Morgan Young, 5 on your side.